Welcome to CyGenixCTF. Their first one is sanity check from Discord challenge. So CTF announcement. Here I got a flag, and flag format is CyGenixCTF. Second one is Valour. That is the steganography problem. So first check the image. Use exit tool and found their pdftools.com. There is nothing. Okay, so use JSTAG for PNG file, and here we got the PKX file. So there is a zip file, and in there flag.txt file is existed. So okay, there is nothing. Okay, now use Unmask to extract this PNG, and found there is a zip file. So this is password protected. We have to unzip this file by password. Okay, copy this file. It's a hidden.zip. So use zip to John to get the hash from this zip file. Test.hash, and we can cat to view. There is a hash. So use John the Reaper. Word list is from user share word list. There is rocky.txt. Okay, there we got a password. We use this password to unzip this zip file. Okay, and from there we have got a flag. Okay, now search image. That's from forensic challenge. Okay, first check the file. Exit tool. There's nothing. Strings, and there we got some text. That's like Caesar cipher. So from decode FR website we used Caesar cipher, and that's a flag. Okay, now from DS900 from cryptography, there's our encryption, and there's our solution. Run from there. Python solution.py. And if we use decode Diffie-Hellman key exchange, so there is 2293, and we can see there a shared secret is 2293. So if we reverse this, if we use encrypt.py, then there is public mode, public base, then a secret and B secret, and here we can see A public and B public is matches. So that's our key 2293. Now from the Encrypted Trilogy there is an attachment challenge.txt, and here we saw that's the RSA problem. So from first one, public key, there is P and Q and CT ciphertext. Okay, there is N is blank, so we can get our value of N from P and Q. N equal P into Q. Print N. Okay, and there's the value of N. We can copy this and enter and got a first part of this flag. Now second one, in challenge part 2, there's the value E equal 3 and there is no need P and Q, and there is a bit C T. Okay, now got our second part. Okay, part 3, there E and N, and there's some ciphertext value, first one. Okay, now second one, just changing the value of C, we can get port part from there. Just changed the value of C. Okay, and last one. Okay, that's a flag for the Encrypted Trilogy. Now OSINT, first challenge is very fast, and can you find the very fast announcement with YCF? Okay, we are now in home page, and there is a YCF, the home page of YCF team. Here we see the Instagram page of YCF. The post related to CyGenixCTF. Okay, another, no. Okay, that's the CyGenix part, and from comment we can get a flag. That's 13TS, go round and around. Okay, that's a flag. So from flag format, CyGenixCTF. Okay, that's a flag. So now easy Peasy APK in reverse problem. So check the attachment APK file. Now from Linux we use now there's the APK file. Okay, APK tool for decrypt, use D. So that is D for disassemble, APK tool D, then APK file name, and after disassembling this file we can found from Sublime. Flag format is CyGenix, and here we got a flag. There is a strings.xml line number 50, and here is a flag. Okay, now Whistleblower, there's another miscellaneous challenge. We can see there's a famous whistleblower leaked classified information about a system, and the whistleblower then wrote a program to fetch and pull classified data from intelligence database. Those of NSSCI. Okay, that's a Snowden, I think. famous whistleblower leaked classified information. We can search from Google and found Edward Joseph Snowden. That's first and last name is Edward Snowden. Okay, that's a whistleblower. Okay. And that's our first two words, first name and last name. First name, and there's flag is case sensitive, so first character is capital, last name first character is capital. Okay, now there we can see the intelligence committee's reports. Snowden developed a system. Okay, system, that's the heartbeat, and okay, system name maybe reports, R is capital letter, boards. Okay, and there is the program name is heartbeat. Okay, try this, but okay, that's actually my failed attempt. Okay, found another X key score, so that's maybe the system name. I've used Prism also, but failed attempt. So XK score, heartbeat. So that's a flag maybe. Okay. Now Espionage. There's the forensic challenge, and this is pickup file. I've opened this file by Wireshark. Okay, we have to find out the password and use flag format. Okay, to uncover the hidden password. Okay, now we use TCP. First observe this, follow from TCP stream, and this is our first TCP stream. We can check next TCP. Nothing. Next TCP is okay. There is nothing. Again. Next TCP stream. Okay. Next TCP stream, and there is user ID and password. WRD. So that's a password. We can get this. First use URL encoder to decode this, and there we can see this is base 64, so decode this base 64 to get our password. And that's a flag, CyGenixCTF. Okay, that's a flag. Okay, now cake shop in OSINT challenge. From Google Image, I've uploaded this image which I got from this challenge, and here we found Archaeological Museum of Goa. Okay, so from there we have to find out the nearby shop, cake shop, and there we have to find out the review. Okay, Archaeological Museum of Goa. From Google Maps we can find the location here, and if you use okay, we can see any cake shop, so use cake shop nearby, and their first one is Miscellaneous cake shop. Okay, and use check the review, short by newest, and there is a flag. Okay, now Unmask in forensic challenge. First use file, that's the ASCII file. So from head command we can see there's a hex code. or a hex code, so we can use hxd to paste. And if we check rdhi gnp in header, okay, and from Google we can see rdhi, that means it may be reversed ISDR, and GNP, that means PNG. Okay, so we have to reverse this code. Again we can check rdhi GNP, okay, so, and there we can see IEND, that is DNEI, first one. So we have to reverse line to line. There first is PNG and then ISDR, so we have to reverse this line 89 50 50 4047. That's like we have to start from this file. So from there we can copy. Yes, okay. So we have to reverse online. If we check the PNG header, list of file signatures, we can see PNG listed by PNG, and header is 89504047. So we have to reverse this 89504047 from right to left. Okay, we can use Python or manual program. Manually we can change by Excel. So okay, okay, from Notepad copy this text hex code. So paste there, that's the hex byte, and from row to column we have to use data and text to columns. They are delimited, we have to use, and there is space, and then all column will be text. If you use decimal, then 0 from left side will be removed, so we have to use text. Now from left to right we use manually. Copy all column from left to right. Okay, now we can paste this formula. Just select and double click in the corner, left right lower corner, we can click and paste this formula, and now they are 0 0. Okay, we have to remove this, and 8260, so there will be 6082 and all zeros are removed. So we can copy this X byte and hxd in new file and paste this, and now that's the PNG file. save this file as a PNG, output.png, and now check our PNG is correct or not. Okay, there's a flag. So there is CyGenixCTF, the jumble of PNG 3v9 CD, like a jumbled PNG 3v9 CD 0E17F. So that's a flag. Okay, now the truth of life, there is an attachment challenge.zip. Okay, from there we can extract the zip file, and now if we check, there is challenge.web and message.txt. Two files are extracted. Okay, again I have used Pinwalk to extract, and there are found two files also. So in message.txt there is no message, so there is some white space, so we used snow.exe tool, and from white space I found our secret, and from deep sound, after inputting the password, we have found another file, flag.txt in deep sound folder. Copy this, okay, there is a flag. Now can you see me? Their attachment is flag.jpg. 2 plus 6 equal 10. Okay, so after searching some googling, there I found one page to hiding information by changing an image height. Okay, so after reading this file, so there is the bytecode FFC0, but FFC2 is used, and there 0384. So we want to change this and change the height, and found our complete image. Okay, from image CyGenixCTF, image resizing 1 BBSC. So that's a flag. Okay, now from web security, the web challenge, first one is elite. Run the bar suit, open this link from Firefox, and from DevTools we can see there is some, we have to change some header. So open Barsuit browser, intercept is on. Okay, again only elite agents. Okay, try again. There we have to change the user agent. So from action send to repeater. There we change this agent to elite, small letter maybe, I guess LIT. Okay, so now another message is we have to use some proxy chain. Okay, again, and used X forward for using proxy chain. And now there we have to use port, so X forwarded port 31173. Now where did this request even originate from? So we have to use origin, and now we add calendar. There we see 27th May 2024, so before that date we used 26th May, and I found a flag from response. So that's all. Okay, thank you for watching my video.